In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post on Threads. If you are new to Threads and you wish to make your first post, then just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing is just to open your Threads app. And once you have opened your app, now you can see up here, you can just start publishing or posting straight away what's new here. So if you tap on this, it will open this type in option where you can just type in anything. Alternatively, if you swipe down, you can see we have a plus icon here. If you tap on it, then you still have the same option to type on your page. So here, just go ahead and type in anything that you wish, like that. And you can decide whether you want to add media. For instance, you can proceed and add a photo by just tapping on this. You will be taken to your gallery where you can choose your photo. And once you have attached your photo or video, just proceed and tap on post. By doing this, now the posting will begin and it has been published. Now, if you refresh your Threads account, so let's try and do it. You should be able to see your post. However, if you can't see your post that you have just made, then go to your profile icon here and tap on it. And here you can see now your account with all the posts that you have made. So this was my first post and here is it. So that's how you can post on Threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.